Octopuses fall for rubber hand illusion just like humans, groundbreaking evidence of self-awareness. What if I told you that an alien-like creature with 9 brains can be fooled into accepting a fake limb as its own? This mind-bending discovery reveals more than just a clever trick. It fundamentally challenges our understanding of consciousness across species. Let me walk you through this astonishing phenomenon. Imagine preparing to take a sip from your morning coffee. As you reach for the mug, you vividly feel the movement, except it's not your real hand moving. Instead, a rubber replica hidden from your view is being touched in perfect sync with your actual hand resting out of sight. Despite knowing it's artificial, your brain stubbornly claims, "That's my hand." Humans fall for this rubber hand illusion every time. Ready for the plot twist? Octopuses do too. Researchers at Japan's University of the Ryukyus recently demonstrated that octopuses experience this sensory deception just like humans and other mammals. What makes this jaw-dropping? Octopuses possess a radically different neural architecture, with 1 central brain and 8 subsidiary brains distributed across their arms. Their nervous systems are so decentralized that severed arms can independently react to stimuli. Yet, against all expectations, their brains integrate vision and touch to create a unified body image, just like ours. Here's how the experiment unfolded. Scientists worked with 6 plain-body octopuses, Callictoctopus aspilosomidus. Each cephalopod had 1 arm hidden behind a barrier while a lifelike gel replica arm was positioned visibly above it. Using synchronized strokes with plastic calipers on both the real and fake limbs, researchers mimicked the classic rubber hand illusion. After 8 seconds, they pinched the fake arm. The octopuses immediately reacted as if threatened, changing color, recoiling, or attempting escape. But when strokes weren't synchronized or the fake arm's posture didn't match the hidden limb, the illusion shattered instantly. 0 defensive responses. This finding is seismic. It suggests that the neurological machinery for body ownership, a cornerstone of self-awareness, emerged independently in mammals and mollusks through vastly divergent evolutionary paths. As co-author Yuzuru Ikeda noted, this predictive ability is a survival asset, but also a vulnerability. The illusion arises as a side effect of processing conflicts, a flaw in an otherwise adaptive system. But here's where it gets controversial. Does this really imply self-awareness in octopuses? Or is it merely sophisticated sensory processing without true consciousness? Philosopher Peter Godfrey Smith, who studies cephalopod cognition, was stunned by the precision required to break the illusion. Posture mismatches alone foiled the effect. This indicates an exceptionally detailed internal body model, something previously thought exclusive to vertebrates. Why does this matter? It forces us to reconsider the origins of consciousness. If a creature with no shared brain structure with humans still constructs a body image, the roots of self-perception might be ancient, universal, and shockingly adaptable. This positions octopuses as invaluable models for studying consciousness evolution, a role once reserved for mammals. So, I leave you with this: are we drastically underestimating consciousness in creatures unlike us? Or is attributing self-awareness to octopuses an overreach? The line between neural trickery and genuine cognition has never been blurrier. Drop your perspective in the comments. Let's debate where true awareness begins. The groundbreaking study was published in Current Biology, further proving that nature's solutions to consciousness are far weirder and more wondrous than we ever imagined. Octopuses fall for the rubber hand illusion too. The rubber hand illusion is not just a quirk of human perception, it also captivates the minds of octopuses. This fascinating phenomenon indicates that these intelligent creatures possess a sense of body awareness akin to our own. The rubber hand illusion is a peculiar multisensory experience where individuals come to believe that a fake hand is actually their own. The process involves concealing a person's real hand behind a barrier while placing a lifelike fake hand in front of them. By simultaneously stroking both the real and the artificial hand, the brain can be deceived into accepting the fake hand as part of the body. Originally showcased by researchers Matthew Botvinnik and Jonathan Cohen in 1998, this illusion has since been observed in other animals, including monkeys and mice, who also fall prey to this sensory trick. Octopuses experience the illusion too. In a groundbreaking study published in Current Biology, researchers Sumai Kawashima and Yuzuru Ikeda from the University of Ryukyu in Okinawa, Japan, explored this illusion in octopuses. They placed plain-body octopuses, Callictoctopus aspilosomidus, in a tank and positioned a soft gel fake arm over one of the octopus's limbs, ensuring it could not see its own arm. Both the real and the fake arm were stroked simultaneously using plastic calipers. After about 8 seconds, one of the researchers pinched the dummy arm with tweezers. Remarkably, the octopus reacted defensively, as if it had felt its actual arm being pinched. This experiment was repeated with 5 additional octopuses, all of which displayed similar defensive behaviors, such as fleeing, changing color, or retract. Octopuses tricked by rubber hand illusion, the dark side of animal experiments. Prepared to question everything you know about animal consciousness, octopuses experience the same bizarre body illusion that tricks humans, revealing profound parallels in self-awareness. But here's where it gets revolutionary. These 8-armed marvels are the first non-mammals to demonstrate this cognitive quirk, challenging our understanding of intelligence across species. In the famous rubber hand illusion, humans feel ownership of a fake limb when their concealed real hand and a prosthetic are touched simultaneously. This phenomenon, first documented in 1998, exposes how vision and touch override our internal body map, proprioception. Think about momentarily mistaking a mannequin's leg for your own in a crowded store. That similar brain glitch confirms the deep wiring of self-perception. Now, groundbreaking research in Current Biology confirms plain-body octopuses, Callictoctopus aspilosomidus, succumb to this illusion too. Scientists tested 6 octopuses by hiding one real arm under a partition while positioning a gel-based prosthetic nearby. When touched in sync for 8-second intervals, the animals accepted the decoy as their own. The proof? When researchers pinched the fake arm, every octopus reacted defensively. They changed skin color like a human gasp, retracted their real arm, adjusted posture, or fled, identical to reactions when actual limbs are threatened. Control tests eliminated doubt. If the prosthetic arm was misaligned or touches weren't synchronized, octopuses ignored it. This precision confirms their brains integrate sight and touch to claim body parts, a trait once thought unique to mammals. Peter Godfrey-Smith, an unaffiliated University of Sydney researcher, notes this implies octopuses have quite a rich body image. Here's the controversial twist: this body ownership is fundamental to self-consciousness. If octopuses recognize "this arm is mine," does that imply a form of self-awareness rivaling primates? And consider the evolutionary trade-off. While this sense aids survival, helping an octopus recoil from danger, it creates a vulnerability. The brain's sensory shortcuts can be hacked, as study co-author Yuzuru Ikeda, University of the Ryukyu, observes. Could this flaw be the price of advanced cognition? Beyond philosophy, the implications are thrillingly practical. Octopuses may become models for studying neurological disorders like asomatognosia, where patients disown their limbs, inspire lifelike robotics, or advance AI that interprets multisensory data. Yet we are left wondering, if octopuses share this profound cognitive trait with us, what else might they perceive that we've overlooked? Do you believe this signals a deeper consciousness in cephalopods, or merely sophisticated reflexes? The debate starts now.